Have you ever wanted to build your own portable video game controller? Well, that's what this Kickstarter is about.
So the main quest of this kit is to actually build the project, and we'll teach you how to do that. We'll teach you how to solder this up step by step. But there's also going to be other great opportunities. We'll teach you how to program your own video game music. We have other great side quests like how to build your own stopwatch, how to control a pixel on a screen, and we'll also teach you about all the electrical components in your kit so that you can understand what each component is doing. We're trying to get as many games to work on our kit as possible, and we're even adding games right now.
What I need is I need support from a community. I need people who can play test it, beta test this thing, make sure it works, give me feedback and ideas for how I can make this even better. I've already taken off this coming summer so that I can work entirely and devote myself to this project alone. I want to make sure that this project is successful and I'm going to do whatever it takes. I've already done 80% of the work. I need to know what are ways to make this better, and I'm looking forward to working with a community of people that can help me make this be a great project. So please help me fund this Kickstarter.